Credit cards can be both a blessing and a curse. When used wisely, they offer convenience and great benefits, but if you're not careful, they can cause you to build up a lot of debt. Understanding how they work is essential. In this video, we'll explain how to use credit cards wisely so you can benefit from them without getting into debt. By the end, you should feel confident and know how to use your credit card properly. The first thing you need to know is how to select the right credit card. Different cards offer different benefits. Your spending habits and long-term goals should guide your decision. For example, if you travel frequently, a travel rewards card will be ideal. On the other hand, if you spend more on everyday items such as groceries, household items, and dining out, a cashback card will be more beneficial. When you've found a card, take a look at the annual percentage rate, fees, and rewards structure. A decent credit score can get you an average APR of around 18% to 25%. Some cards will charge you a fee just for being a member, but some cards don't. Also, the reward structure is different for each card. Some will give you points or cash back on your purchases. Others will offer access to events, clubs, and hotel upgrades. Use online comparison tools and read reviews to find the best card for you. The first way to take advantage of credit cards is to utilize the rewards and cashback perks. This means using your credit card for regular purchases you make anyway. This way, you're not spending any extra to earn rewards. For example, you can quickly earn points or cash back using the card for groceries, gas, utilities, and other things you buy every day. Maximizing rewards often involves a bit of strategy. Some cards offer higher cashback rates on specific categories. Plan your spending to take advantage of these benefits. For instance, if your card offers 5% cashback on groceries, make sure to use it for your grocery shopping. To get the most out of your credit card rewards, always pay your balance in full each month. This way you avoid interest charges that can negate the benefits of the rewards you're earning. A second advantage of credit cards is that they help you build a positive credit history. A good credit history can open doors to better loan rates, housing options, and even job opportunities. The way you manage your credit card reflects on your credit report, which creditors use to assess your reliability. To build a good credit history, use your credit card regularly but responsibly. Make small, manageable purchases and pay off the balance in full each month. Avoid late payments as these can negatively impact your credit score. Keeping your credit utilization low, ideally below 30% of your credit limit, also helps. Your credit utilization is the percentage of your available credit that you're currently using. For example, if your credit limit is $5,000, aim to keep your credit balance below $1,500. By starting early and being diligent, you can build a strong credit history that will serve you well in the future. A third advantage of credit cards is the introductory offers. Introductory offers can be very tempting and beneficial if used correctly. Many credit cards offer 0% APR for a certain period or significant sign-up bonuses. These offers can be especially useful for large purchases or consolidating existing debt. For example, if you need to buy new furniture, a 0% APR offer can allow you to spread the payments over several months without incurring interest. This can make a big purchase more manageable. Similarly, if you have high-interest debt on another card, transferring the balance to a card with a 0% APR offer can save you a lot in interest payments. However, it's crucial to be cautious. Make sure you understand the terms and conditions of the offer. Know when the introductory period ends and what the regular APR will be. Also ensure that you can pay off the balance to avoid high interest charges. Using these offers strategically can provide significant financial benefits, but they require careful planning and discipline to avoid potential pitfalls. A fourth advantage is to use your credit card for budgeting. Incorporating credit cards into your budgeting strategy can help you keep track of your expenses and manage your finances better. Many credit cards offer expense tracking tools and categorization, which can help you stay on top of your budget. It's easier to make changes to your budget when you see where your money is going. You can set up notifications for due dates, spending limits, and alerts for unusual activity. These alerts can help you stay within your budget and avoid late fees. The fifth advantage is credit card protections and perks. Credit cards offer a range of protections and perks that can save you money and provide peace of mind. These include fraud protection, purchase protection, and travel insurance, among others. Fraud protection is one of the most valuable benefits. If your card is lost or stolen, or if there are unauthorized charges, most credit card issuers will not hold you responsible for the fraudulent activity. This provides significant peace of mind, especially when shopping online. Purchase protection can cover eligible items against theft or damage for a certain period after purchase. For example, if you buy a new phone and it gets stolen or damaged within the protection period, you may be able to get a refund or replacement through your credit card. Travel insurance is another valuable perk. Many travel credit cards offer benefits like trip cancellation insurance, lost luggage reimbursement, and travel accident insurance. These perks can save you money and provide support when you need it most. Now let's look at some things to avoid when dealing with credit cards. While credit cards offer many benefits, there are common pitfalls that can lead to debt and financial trouble. One of the biggest mistakes is carrying a balance and collecting high-interest charges. This can quickly turn manageable debt into a significant burden. Another pitfall is missing payments. Late payments can result in late fees, higher interest rates, and a negative impact on your credit score. Setting up automatic payments or reminders can help you avoid this. Overspending is another common issue. It's easy to spend more than you can afford when using a credit card. Sticking to a budget and regularly tracking your spending can help keep this in check. Lastly, not understanding the terms and conditions of your credit card can lead to unexpected fees and charges. Always read the fine print and make sure you understand how your card works. Educating yourself about how credit cards work, the benefits they offer, and the potential pitfalls can help you use them to your advantage. There are many resources available to improve your financial literacy. Books, online courses, and financial blogs offer valuable information and tips. Many credit card issuers also provide educational resources to help their customers make informed decisions. Sharing knowledge and experiences with others can also be beneficial. Discussing financial strategies with friends and family can provide new insights and help reinforce good habits. Using credit cards wisely requires understanding and discipline. By choosing the right card, maximizing rewards, building a good credit history, taking advantage of introductory offers, budgeting effectively, and utilizing protections and perks, you can reap the benefits of credit card use without falling into debt. Sharing tips and experiences can help others avoid common pitfalls and use credit cards as powerful financial tools. For more financial tips and resources, consider exploring further educational materials and seeking advice from financial experts. Remember, the key to mastering credit cards is informed and responsible use. With the right approach, credit cards can enhance your financial well-being and help you achieve your financial goals. Now check out this next video to build a richer life one dime at a time. Thanks for watching.